Hey, what's up everybody? It's Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be cracking open the latest Fast and Furious set from Hot Wheels. This is their premium line, and we have 5 of them to look at. The first one is the Nissan Skyline GTR R34. The second out of 5 is the Nissan Silvia S15. The third is the 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600. And number 4 is the Lamborghini Gallardo LP574 Superleggero. Number 5 out of 5 is the Nissan Skyline GTR R32 body style. So we'll go ahead here and take a look at them. Alright, first up we have the Nissan Skyline GTR R34 body style, and this is the silver one that was in Too Fast, Too Furious. I believe, now this shows, looks pretty good. It's a little bit of an issue there, the tampo on the driver's side door, which would be what we would say passenger side door here in the US. The issue I have with this, it has California plates. I'm not sure how correct that is, because I thought it would have a Florida plate, because I'm pretty sure in the movie it didn't have a Florida plate. Either way, we'll go ahead here and take a look at it. Looks really good. I love the details of the front, even down to the nitrous line there. It runs around on the intercooler. That looks really good. The tampos look great on this. This is all over metal, being the premium line, and it has rubber tires and nicer wheels. Paint job on these are fairly decent. So that is number 1 out of the 5. It has the Nissan Skyline GTR R34. So we'll move on to number 2. Alright, this is the second one out of the 5. And this is the Nissan Silvia S15. And I believe this was in Tokyo Drift, if I'm not mistaken. It looks pretty cool. I think it looks better in person than it did in the photos. Originally I was going to order this set from Amazon. I'm kind of glad I waited and actually found 4 pegs full of them at my one Walmart. Otherwise I would have had to order these online, which is pretty much 90% of the vehicles that I display or and review here for the channel. I have to order online because I just can't find them locally. That's just my luck usually. So we'll go ahead here and take a look at this. Paint job's phenomenal on this one. This one is beautiful, the paint. A little bit of orange peel on the hood, but it's to be expected, but the roof looks great. This one is, I believe this one might, I think that's metal as well. It's painted black, but almost look like plastic. The tampos look great on this. Really nice. Just a little bit of detail work, I would say, on the mirrors and muffler tips and whatnot, and you could really have something nice. Headlights look cool. It's really nice. That one looks a lot, I think that one looks a lot better in person than it did in the photos I'd seen. So there you go. That is number 2 out of 5, the Nissan Silvia S15. We'll move on to the next one. Alright, number 3 out of the 5 is the 1970 Ford Focus RS 1600. And this was in Fast and Furious 6, I believe. This one looks really, really nice. This is another one I think looks better out of the pack. And then from what I saw in the photos, really, really nice. What a cool little rally car. I believe this was a Cosworth, like 118 horsepower Cosworth motor was in these, and the car only weighed like 1,800 pounds or something like that. So it would be a really fun little car to zip around in. Paint job's pretty nice on it. The clear coat doesn't seem as thick as some of the other ones. It almost looks like a single stage paint on this one. Front end looks great except for the way they did the driving lights, just with the clear pieces of plastic. Looks kind of weird to these eyes anyway. I mean, all you'd have to do is paint them in, and I think you'd have a really nice vehicle here. I know a lot of people are going to be grabbing them for probably the wheels, and same with some of the other ones. That's kind of a shame, because the vehicles themselves I don't think are bad. Lots of details. And this one is also much like the rest of the vehicles. This one is right-hand drive. You can see that there. Has like a silverish gray plastic interior. Really cool little rally car. So there you go. That is number 3 out of the 5. Number 4 out of the 5 is a Lamborghini Gallardo, the LP 574 Superleggero. And I believe this one's from Fast and Furious 6 as well. Same with the Cosworth. And this is in like a yellow pearlescent color. This is another one I'm sure everyone's gonna just buy this to grab the wheels off of it. Well, this is left-hand drive, this one. I believe this is the only one out of all of them that's left-hand drive. Now this one does have plastic. I believe this is, I think maybe that is metal. Yeah, it's metal. Yeah, that one's metal as well. That really was deceptive there. I thought that was plastic. So this one also has a metal base. Not bad, but we've seen that one plenty of times before from Hot Wheels. So there you go. That is number 4 out of the 5. And we'll move on to the last one. Save the best for last, in my opinion. This is number 5 out of 5, and this is the Nissan Skyline GTR R32 body style. And this was, I think it's supposed to be a 1989 model year vehicle, and this is from Fast and Furious 7, pretty sure, if my memory serves me correctly. Either way, in my opinion, this is the best one out of the set, but that's just me, because I think it looks evil, all in black with the black new rims from Hot Wheels. It just is this absolute stunner. Originally, I was just going to purchase this by itself, but I thought everyone's going to probably want to see the whole set, and it was nice to be able to get the whole set so we can check them out together and nitpick them or whatever else. You guys want to comment down below which ones you guys like what's your favorite out of the 5. I think they're all really cool, but my personal favorite's this one here. I just think it looks great. Wheels are satin black plastic. Paint job's phenomenal on this as well. Tampos look great. Headlights look awesome. Really cool. So there you go, and I'll get a shot of all of them together here then, and hopefully you guys like that. And I tried to keep this down to, hopefully this will be in the 10-minute mark. Some of my videos I know get a little out of hand. So give me a thumbs up if you like this type of video, and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And I will see you guys later. Later, guys. See you then. Bye now.